maybe I can show you schedule. This is very important. Well specs as usual. This is also for well spec. This is for the completion, comport. We input that well. That's why we use comport. So we are telling the tNavigator, I'm inputting this well. So you say comport. Okay, this is to say that the well is opened. wconprot, this is the constraint for the production of that well. Okay, so it will be constrained by the bottom hole pressure. Okay, and this is the time steps. Okay, first the well is shut and then the well is open again. And this one is important now. Specifies the composition of mixed injection stream in molar fraction in compositional model with multiple water components. So we have well stream Z, something like that. Z usually molar composition. And the name of the stream is water, like this. And now we will order the component. The first section is the water component. The first four water component, which is what? Water, alcohol, acetic acid, then aqueous ester. So it's a mixed injection stream. 90% is water, 10% is, aqueous phase of ester. And then of course we do not inject hydrocarbon, so that's why we have 0. But we still need to set, the molar fraction to be 0. And then this is the W inch Z. We are telling that this water stream, the stream called water, is injected by W1 well. This is the temperature, and this is the injection constraint. So the constraint is, rate. And 350, what is the 350? Let's check the rate, uncheck everything to show you injection rate. So it's 220 standard meter cube per day. Okay. So I mean this one for the time step. So 350 is actually the maximum injection pressure. And then we have comps WGO, this another stream. Okay. And then the next time step. Okay, so we only inject at this period. Okay, so that's it. And now let's go back into the computation result. Okay, very interesting. Okay, and let's again create or show the cross section. And then let's go to the, it will be interesting. Okay, let's wait. Okay, I will make another, or I will, okay, set like this. So we will hit the well and then go to 2D so you can see the well. Okay, So now we can see, okay, we can check still no acid, alcohol, okay. Now let's check the ester aqueous, okay, already injected. You can check the molar fraction, gas molar fraction, reaction rate, molar density you see here. Or maybe I will pause a little bit and then let's change the cross section. You know, this one is not very good because we have tops there. I will just change the to be like this. I think it's will give us better view, hopefully. Okay, so like this. Okay, beautiful. Close 2D. Now it's better. Continue, please. And can we hit the well?